Hey loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mabel, and today in this video I will be talking to you about body scrubs. Yes, Vit Gold body scrubs. So if this sounds like something you would love to watch, stick and stay. I will be back with more.
Beauty Bellcito, glow beyond glamour.
Alright, welcome back. If you're new here and watching me for the first time, please do well to subscribe to my channel and put on your notification bell so that you will be the first to get notified whenever I post new content. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much. In fact, I'm so much grateful. May God continue to bless you. So without much ado, let's move right into today's video. We're talking about Vit Gold body scrubs. Now, Vit Gold products are manufactured in the USA by Skin Color Cosmetics and marketed by Jechux Limited in Nigeria. The Vit Gold brand has a vast range of skincare, personal care products ranging from body lotions, body scrubs, body soaps, body oils, hair removal creams, beard growth oils, and a whole lot more. It's just a vast range of products. They are even into makeup products. If you don't know, I just told you. Today we are focusing on these two vitamin C extra whitening super scrub, 7 days visible results, and clear dark spots whitening scrub made from kojic acid and alpha-arbutin extract for face and body. Let me take the clear dark spots first. It reduces skin dullness, it works on uneven skin tone, it gives skin whitening effect, it removes black spots, scars and pimples. I have been using this product for 2 weeks now, and what I can say is the first thing that got me attracted to this is the smell. It has this bubble gum smell. Okay, you know that I'm attracted to sweet scented products. The texture is more like bubble gum. It feels like bubble gum. This is how the texture is. It is thicker in consistency. And one thing I love about this particular one is the fact that it's a salt scrub, okay? And one thing I love about it is that it has a finer texture as compared to the vitamin C one. I'll come to the vitamin C one, but regarding this one, it has a finer texture and it moves so smooth onto the skin. It doesn't irritate the skin. If you have, people with sensitive skin do not like scrubbing. They just don't like scrubbing. They experience some burns and itchies all over when scrubbing. But trust me, this has a finer granules. It has a smooth and finer granules. It's not going to irritate your skin. When it comes to its potency, it does what it says it does. It clears dark spot. When you use it for your armpit and dark inner thighs. But you see, before I come to that end, I don't know why the company it's not stating it on it that in just one wash, it gives you that supple, smooth feel like a baby skin in just one wash. When you use it for 10 minutes, when you wash your skin off with water, damn, you're gonna love the result. That your body feels like that of a newborn when it comes to clearing up dark spot. I can assure you that it does. But then you can't concentrate completely on this alone to achieve that result. This alone cannot do the work. So I'll make another video on how to clear body spots, acne on both the face and the body. And this is part of the routine. This product is going to be part of the routine. Now the bottom line is it smells good. It has a finer texture that is not going to irritate sensitive skin. If you have very tough skin, then I will recommend the vitamin C one to you. But if you have a sensitive skin or combination skin, and if you have dark armpit, dark inner thighs, this is going to help to clear. Yeah, even though if you're using it alone, it's going to be gradual, it's going to be slow, but slow by sure is going to work for you. The size is 600 ml, so it means that you're going to use it for a long time. It has weight. You're going to use it for a long time. Vit Gold products are good. Yeah, but I've heard that Vit Gold products darken the skin. Some individuals are complaining that Vit Gold products darkened their skin after using them for some time. But for me, I have used the face cream before, the glitter white face cream. I'll make a review on it. It's never darkened my skin. I used it the right way and I got results. Trust me, I'll make a review on that product. I also use the 3-in-1 treatment oil. It's very good. And we have another 3-in-1 treatment oil. It's also from Vit Gold. This one, it's also very good. It doesn't darken the skin. But the only ones that I had problem with are the oils in 1 liter bottles. Those oils in 1 liter bottles, those were the only oils that I had problems with. They were not lightening as stated on the product packaging. They didn't lighten the skin at all. If you have dark skin, it will help you. It will serve as a glowing oil for you. But then if you want to achieve a lightening effect or whitening effect, you can promix it. You need to add ingredients, a lot of ingredients. Those oils serve as good base for promixing whitening oils. So in all, I can say that products are good, and this very one will never disappoint you. This kojic acid and alpha arbutin clear dark spot body scrub, it's a salt scrub. I told you I don't like sugar scrub, so this being a salt, they also have salt sugar scrub, but I got it and I didn't just like the feel. Just didn't like the result, so I decided to try the salt scrub. I tried it, it's worked for me. Use it on your bum, your dark inner thighs, in between your bum, your armpit. Oh God, use it for your whole body. But using salt scrub for your face, if you have a sensitive face, you may react. They are stating that it's for both body and face, but I don't recommend salt scrub being used for the face. You have other scrubs that you can use for your face, but salt scrub for your face, I don't recommend that. Just from your neck down to your toe, you can use it. The company didn't even contact me to review this product for them. I used it, it's worked. And I decided to come here to give you my honest review so that you can also grab it. Just grab it and see what I'm talking about. After all, nobody's going to pay me for reviewing this product. So it's good. You can use it for long because it is 600 ml. Now, let's talk about the vitamin C. You see the level I have used it up to. I've been using it, so you see the level. I love the vitamin C. It has this lemon orange smell, more like the usual Fanta vitamin C fragrance. Okay, yeah, it is good. But as compared to that one, this one has a larger granules. The granules or the texture is not as fine as the clear dark spot one. This one, when I used it, it was a bit harsh on my skin. It was piercing my skin a little. Okay, so it is recommended for people with stubborn skin. If you have a stubborn skin, you can go for the vitamin C. I know people with combination skin, people with normal skin can use it, but it depends on you. If salt scrubs do itch your skin and you still want to use salt scrub, go for the clear dark spot, the one I reviewed earlier. But if your skin is hard, nothing works for it. Like, just use this one. This one also has this bubble gum texture. It feels bubbling on the skin, just like the other one. And it smells good. I love the smell though, but just that it was a bit raw for my skin, so I didn't like it. But it also gives the same smooth, soft result. Like, it softens your skin, it smoothens your skin in just one wash. The same result this one gives. And you won't even believe that this also clears dark spots on the skin. If you have dark inner thighs, dark armpits, dark bum, you can use it and use it the right way, like 3 times a week or twice a week to achieve maximum results. You can use exfoliating gloves. You can choose to use your hands, your bare hands like this, to scrub your body, or you use exfoliating gloves to scrub your body properly. This one here says that it gives you total clear from acne, pimples, wrinkles, white patches, blackheads, body odor, eczema, black spots. You can even use it to scrub your armpit and decide not to use roll-on or deodorant the entire day, and you're still going to smell fresh. So imagine applying this or using this on regular basis. Your whole body, your entire body is going to smell fresh. A typical example, I got to know it clears odor this way. I do use hair removal creams and removing hair in my private areas. Okay, so usually these hair removal creams have this strong scent, strong, when I say strong smell, strong chemical smell, like no matter whatever extract or fragrance they put in, the smell is so strong to the extent that nothing can just get rid of it no matter what you do. So after using the hair removal cream, the smell can stay on you in those areas for like a week or two. So 2 days after using my hair removal cream, I used this scrub. I used it to clean my private areas, and trust me, it killed the smell. It just killed the smell, and the smell was, the place was, I actually used this one, and this also performs the same duty, the same work. Yeah, I used this one, and it's killed. This one has the strawberry, sweet candy, bubble gum smell. So the whole place was smelling that way, and when you use it, the smell even stays longer in your bathroom. So you can use it to get rid of body odor in between your thighs, your private areas, and all that, and it works so well. For white patches, I can't say much. For wrinkles, it does well. If you have wrinkles all over, it helps smoothing the lines, those lines on the skin. It clears eczema as well. So give it a try. Trust me, you won't regret using it. This one is 650, so this is bigger than this. This is 600 grams, whilst this is 650 grams. This was 60 Ghana cedis, and this one was 80 Ghana cedis. So 60 cedis, 80 cedis. So it is budget friendly, it's affordable. You can grab it and start enjoying all the goodies it gives. Enjoy some good, smooth, lovely, radiant skin. Okay, yeah. So this is my verdict. This is my honest review. They are good. Out of 100, I'm giving them 100. So 100%. They do exactly what they say they do, and you can either go for this or this. For me, I will always stick to this. If you have a tougher skin, just go for this, and I believe you will never regret doing so. Thank you very much for watching. If you love this video, kindly give me a thumbs up, subscribe, like, and share. Thank you, and see you in my next video.